Morning children, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see the topic repeated addition and repeated subtraction. First we are going to see repeated addition. See children, repeated addition definition. Repeated addition is adding equal groups together. Equal groups together. If the same number is repeated, then we can say repeated addition. Once again, I read this. Repeated addition is adding equal groups together. If the same number is repeated, then we can say repeated addition. See the example, children. See here, children. What is this? Chalk pieces. How many groups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups? 4 groups are here. Each group has how many chalk pieces? 2 chalk pieces. Each group has 2 chalk pieces. Same number of chalk pieces. Here 2, here 2, here 2, here also 2. So each group has 2 chalk pieces. This is the one of the example for repeated addition. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 1, 2. Here also 2. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. 4 after 5, 6. 6 after 7, 8. 4 group has 2 chalk pieces. Totally how many chalk pieces? 8 chalk pieces. Next, we are going to see repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is a method of subtracting the equal number of items from a larger group. If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another larger number until the remainder is 0. Once again I did this. Repeated subtraction is a method of subtracting the equal number of items from a larger group. If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another larger number until the remainder is 0. See children, this is a larger group of chalk pieces. Now I am going to take 2 chalk pieces from this group. So I have how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 6. Again I am going to take same number of elements. Here already I take 2 chalk pieces. Now I am going to take again 2 chalk pieces. So remaining I have how many chalk pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining 4 chalk pieces. Again I am going to take same number of chalk pieces. 2 chalk pieces. Remaining how many? 2 chalk pieces. Again I am going to take this 2 chalk pieces. So remaining 0. So this is called repeated subtraction. So repeated subtraction means if the same number is repeatedly subtract from another larger number until the remainder is 0. Draw the missing and complete repeated addition fact. Repeated addition means each group has same number of shapes. So see here 4 shapes. Second also 4 shapes. Third also 4 shapes. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. This example are already given. Next, second, see here given 2 triangle shapes. Here missing. So we have to draw How many? Shall we count? 1. Here 1. So 2. First we write 2. Next we put addition symbol. Next here also 2 triangle. Third one here also 2 triangle. Fourth one has 2 triangle. 2 plus 2. 2 after 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Again 4 plus 2. 4 after 5, 6. 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. So here 8 triangle. Next. See here. Here 4 shapes given. 5 shapes given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Here missing. So we have to draw 5 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 shapes given. So shall we count? Here 5, here 5, here also 5. So we write 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Again we add 5. 10 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Next. Here given how many shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here given 6 shapes. So here missing. So we have to draw 6 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we draw 6 shapes. Already here given 6 shapes. Here we have to draw 6 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6, here 6, here 6, here also 6. So now we are going to add these 4 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6, 12. Next, 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6, 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6. 18 after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24. So the answer is 24. How many 6 here given? 4 6. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24. The answer is 24.
See children, use repeated addition to find the total. Now we are going to see repeated addition. First sum, there are 5 groups. There are 3 chicks in each group. How many chicks are there altogether? Now we are going to find total number of chicks. See here children, here 3 chicks. Here 3. Here 3. Here 3. Here 3. So each group has 3 chicks. So total number of chicks? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many chicks? 50 chicks. So the answer is 15. Second sum, there are 4 bunches. There are 6 bananas in each bunch. How many bananas are there altogether? Here 6 bananas. Here 6 bananas. Here 6 bananas. Here also 6 bananas. So 4 groups as 6 bananas. Now we are going to add total group. Here 6. Here 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Third group. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total bananas 24. So the answer is 24. Third sum, there are dash trays. How many trays here given? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 trays. There are dash eggs in each tray. How many eggs in a tray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs in each tray. How many eggs are there altogether? So each tray has 10 eggs. Here 10, here 10, here also 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So total number of eggs 30. So the answer is 30. Next, we are going to see repeated subtraction problems. See children, first sum, if Grandma Chinnathoy had 12 paniyarams, how many paniyarams will each one of her 3 grandsons get? See children, to begin with, we start with 12 paniyarams and distribute them to 3 grandsons, and so 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Complete the remaining repeated subtraction facts in the table given below. See children, to begin with, we start with 12 paniyarams and grandma each one to her grandsons. So 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Then next we start with 9 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to 3 grandsons. So 9 minus 3, 6. Next, we start with 6 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to grandsons. So 6 minus 3, 3. Then next, we start with 3 paniyarams and grandma gave each one to 3 grandsons. So 3 minus 3, 0. So each grandson gets 4 paniyarams. How many paniyarams? 4 paniyarams. Second sum, if grandma had 20 paniyarams and there are 4 children, how many paniyarams will each child get? Complete the subtraction facts in the table given below. So totally grandma had 20 paniyarams. How many children are there? 4 children. So each one to her children 4. So 20 minus 4, 16. Then next we start 16. So 16 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to her grandsons. So 16 minus 4, 12. Like that. Next, totally 12 paniyarams she had. So next we start 12 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to 4 children. So 12 minus 4, 8. Next we start with 8. 8 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to 4 children. So 8 minus 4, 4. Next we start with 4 paniyarams. Grandma gave each one to 4 children. So 4 minus 4, 0. So each child gets 5 paniyarams. See here children. Write the subtraction facts for following. First sum. Subtract 2 repeatedly from 10. Here given 10 apples. Now we are going to subtract 2 from 10. How many apples remaining? 8 apples. So here 2 apples strike out. So remaining how many apples? 8 apples. Next we have 8 apples. Again repeatedly 2 apples strike out. So remaining 6. After we have 6 apples. So 2 apples subtract from 6 apples. So remaining 4. Next we have 4 apples. So again we subtract 2 apples from 4 apples. Answer is 2 apples. Next here we have only 2 apples. So again we subtract 2 apples from 2 apples. So the answer is 0. Number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0. How many times 2 is subtracted to get 0? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, subtract 4 repeatedly from 20. Here given 20 mangoes. So we are going to 4 mangoes subtract from 20 mangoes. So here 4 mangoes strike out. So remaining how many? 16. Next we have 16 mangoes. Again 4 mangoes subtract from 16 mangoes. So the answer is 12. Next we have 12 mangoes. Repeatedly 4 mangoes subtract from 12 mangoes. So the answer is 8. Next we have 8 mangoes. We have subtract 4 mangoes from 8 mangoes. So the answer is 4. Again we have only 4 mangoes. So 4 mangoes subtract from 4 mangoes. So the answer is 0. Number of times 4 is subtracted to get 0. How many times 4 is subtracted to get 0? 5 times. So the answer is 5 times.